Simple and quick to set up. Adjustable length rectangular sprinklers provide gentle watering, great for new grass and rectangular shaped lawns. Get started by deciding where you want to water, your whole lawn or just a section of it. Customize how far you want your sprinkler to sway back and forth by turning the dial on the base of the sprinkler. To get the sprinkler to water only a certain area, like a patch of grass seed, turn the dial to the area you want the water to focus, right, center, or left. Left and right refer to the directions when you're facing the sprinkler from the end where it connects to the hose. When the dial is set to left or right, the sprinkler will sway from the center to the furthest position in that direction. When it's set to center, the sprinkler will sway within a narrow range from the center in both directions. Turn the dial to full and the sprinkler will sway all the way left and right for maximum coverage. Sprinkler not spraying? The problem could be clogged jets. For a simple solve, pull out the cleaning pin and push it in the jet openings to clear them. Whether you use your yard as a place to relax, play, or entertain, a healthy and vibrant lawn is at the center of it all. When you water it right, it's always a better day.